Hey, what's up guys, my name's Clayton J, and today I am watching Big Time Rush. It's just a vlog, of what we do. It's on a Tuesday, I think it's May 31st. Comment down below if you guys like vlogs like this where it's unedited. It's literally, I just put all the clips together and just post it on YouTube. Tell me if you like videos like that. I like making them easier. I don't have to actually think about things. I just get to post what I do in my life, so I love doing it, good videos to rewatch. But I did get a boo-boo. Look. You guys see that? It's right there. It's crazy. I swear I saw bone. She's gonna go get some Band-Aids.
Is it cleaned?
Yeah.
Where's that?
Right there.
I'm just gonna brush over it.
Whoa! Whoa! Holy f***! No, I'm not doing that.
No liquid Band-Aid right now?
This is what we just used.
You wonder how much more a stitch hurts, Clayton?
So guys, it's actually a couple days later, and look at that. It's just that right there. It's actually pretty good. It's probably like 3 days, 4 days later, maybe even a week later. I don't actually know. But I got a couple new shirts I want to show you guys. So literally, my whole closet's filled with like the slicky shirts. Those are the kind of shirts I like. Like literally, look. These are just a couple. These are just a couple. You can see they're all like slicky material. Can't you see them? They're all slicky material. Slicky, slicky. These two are my newest. This is my oldest one. You've seen this one. This one's pretty new. This one's pretty new. This one's old. I have a lot of videos in it. This is just my favorite shirt. Then we got this one. But these two. No. Alright, so these two. These are my newest shirts. I don't know exactly which one I like more. I think this one has a more slicky material. Plus, I never even wore this color before. Like, I don't have that much shirts with this color. So I really like it. So yeah, that's pretty much my shirts. Ooh, I don't think it goes good with these pants. Doesn't do good with these pants. Actually, I gotta put my other shirt on. It goes better with these pants. So, the only thing with these shirts is you can see like the belly. Because they're so thin, they're thin and slicky, and you can see like the boob area. You see it? The little boobies. But I mean, I'm planning on losing weight. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm actually watching, I don't know if you guys can see, oh, it slept. But I'm actually, exercise for the upper back because it hurt so bad. So the other day I actually was talking to you guys about chiropractors, and like I've been going to the chiropractor for 1.5 years, and like I still got that little bump right there, right here. You can see that little hip right there. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it's a bump. And it just is, I get dysphoria on it, and I've been going to chiropractor for 1.5 years, and like my back still hurts, and I still have like the swerve and everything like that. So I contacted like other chiropractor to see. I have my chiropractor. I'm definitely probably gonna stay with him for the rest of my life. Well, not the rest of my life. I hope I don't live in Iowa for the rest of my life. It's just easier. Plus, I already know him. Yeah. And I like him. He's a cool guy. But I contacted other chiropractors too, and I think this one's even this one is way better than the rest of them. The one I have. The one I have is better than these guys. I contacted one, and the first day, obviously it's longer, and I said, how long is like a session, And they literally said, after your first one and they get x-rayed, one of these guys said, couple minutes. You're planning on me to walk into a session and out of the session in a couple minutes? Like, they literally said, 2 to 3 minutes. Like, that sounds so weird. My chiropractor is 10 to 15 minutes, depends. Depends if I talk a lot. But, and I thought that was weird, being so short, so short. But, now thinking about it, his is actually pretty long compared to some of the other ones I've contacted to see. So I'm okay with my chiropractor now. After seeing that, I'm like, okay, well, if I went to that guy, my back was going to be broken for the rest of my life if I went to that guy. You got to go in for 1 minute and have to, and that was also more expensive than my guy by $10. It was that one was $50. My guy's $40. But okay, I just, sometimes that gets to me. I'm like, maybe there's different ones for my spine, but I think they're all around the same thing, and they're all just adjustments, But, so, right now I'm just thinking, I'm just gonna try to see if maybe this year I can do some, because I've been going to him for a year and a half. My back still hurts, but I mean, obviously, like, I did just get in a car crash, so I'm actually going to do some upper back exercise, like, every day. I bought this a while ago, you know, and I realize this is dumb because you can buy Xbox Live Gold with the Game Pass and have like hundreds of games a day, and half of me, I don't think I can get rid of it, but I don't know. Should I still buy the Game Pass even though I have this one? I don't think it'll do anything, but that's just kind of a waste of how much I paid $60 for this. $60 for this, and I don't like it. And I still have all the way till January. I bought this in January. Holy crap. So that sucks, guys. That sucks. Any of you guys should have told me. Game Pass. There's Game Pass. But I think I might get the Game Pass, you know. I've been playing Roblox lately. That's actually the game I like, which is weird. But, because it's kind of fun, you know. Looking up back exercise. But, we're going to go over here. This is my name, guys. If you guys can see it. It's CJ Reeves 17. That's my name on Xbox. If you guys want to follow me and maybe we can play. I'm going to try to get the Game Pass soon. I don't know yet because I keep thinking about it because I already just spent $60, you know, and I don't even play on live because I don't really have that much games I like. But I thought the Game Pass, that comes with millions of games. I don't actually have to, like, go buy it at the store, you know. And if you can see, Allison's reading a book. How's your book?
I like my book.
What's your book about?
It's called Set for Life, Dominate Life, Money, and the American Dream. My sister got it for me for my birthday last year, my last birthday. And it's like how to make your way to be financially free.
Yeah. And you know the funny part is, Molly looks like she's gonna pee, but she's potty trained, so if she does, she knows she's gonna get in trouble. This guy right here is the one that's not potty trained. Yeah, we're talking about you, you little leg kicker. Actually, you've been pretty potty trained, but today he did not go to the bathroom this morning. And guess what? We found a little turd in the house.
30 pages and I'm on page 30. 200 left.
Hey, there you
I'm
go.
gonna try to read 50 a day.
Yeah, and one of the pages we're in there is you should feel uncomfortable spending money, which we are. We're very uncomfortable. And then when we go out to eat, we always regret it. Not the food, like the food's good, but then we just regret, like, was the food worth $20 though? And I could have made it because I'm a pretty good chef.
Yeah, there's a lot of things in here that I'm like, oh shit, we actually do that.
Yeah.
Except it did just target me, and I'm sad, but it's too late.
What?
It's like Americans all around the world spend so much money on like 4-wheel drive cars and all these like high-tech cars when they can just get a small economy car and save more than... I'm paying like $6,000 a year for gas. If I got a smaller car, it would drop down to like $3,000.
I know, but we wanted a bigger car. And your car was supposed to be... Your car was supposed to be just that extra car if we do something.
Now we're spending gas like crazy.
The only reason why we're driving her car like every day lately is because my car's been broken. My car's engine light's been on and we have to go get it fixed.